Have you ever heard stories of dogs barking, cats hiding, or birds flying away just before an earthquake strikes? For centuries, people have believed that animals can sense earthquakes before humans can. But is it true? How do animals detect something we can't even feel? Today, we'll uncover the science and mysteries behind how animals react to earthquakes. Myth or reality? Earthquakes start deep underground, releasing energy in the form of seismic waves. Humans can only feel the strongest waves. By then, it's often too late to react. But animals live much closer to the ground, and some have highly sensitive senses. They might be able to detect tiny vibrations, changes in air pressure, or even sounds that we simply can't hear. That's why some animals react before people even know an earthquake is coming. Many animals have super senses compared to humans. Dogs and cats, for example, can hear much higher or lower frequencies than we can. They might pick up on ultrasonic sounds created by rocks breaking deep underground. Some animals, like snakes, sense vibrations through their skin or bones. Fish and amphibians are highly sensitive to changes in water pressure and vibration. Even insects like ants and bees have shown unusual behavior before earthquakes. These abilities may help animals sense the tiniest warning signs that a quake is coming. Throughout history, there are countless reports of strange animal behavior before earthquakes. In China, 1975, officials evacuated a city after noticing snakes and rats fleeing their burrows. A massive earthquake struck just days later. In Italy and Japan, scientists have recorded dogs barking frantically and cats hiding hours before quakes. Even birds and fish sometimes act nervous or try to escape. While these stories are fascinating, not every scientist is convinced. For every earthquake preceded by animal warnings, there are many others with no unusual animal activity. Can animals really predict earthquakes? Or are we just seeing patterns that aren't there? Scientists have set up experiments with sensors and video cameras to watch animal behavior before earthquakes. Some studies show increased agitation among animals just before seismic activity. Others find no clear link. Most experts agree. Animals might sense small signals, vibrations, electric charges, even chemical changes in groundwater that humans miss. But so far, no animal has predicted an earthquake with perfect accuracy. The mystery remains, but the search continues. It's easy to believe stories, especially after a disaster. Sometimes we remember the animals who acted strangely, but forget the times they didn't. Scientists warn against relying on animal behavior to predict earthquakes. Still, watching animals can be useful. They may warn us of other dangers like storms or fires. The best way to stay safe: combine science, technology, and careful observation of the world around us. The world is full of mysteries, and the secret senses of animals are just one of them. Have you ever noticed a pet acting strange before an earthquake or storm? Share your story in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Quick Curiopedia for more amazing science and nature facts every week.